Ever found yourself mid-project, wishing you had that one tiny tool that could make life easier? Maybe a precision blade to open packaging, or a micro screwdriver to tighten up a loose screw in your glasses? That's exactly what we thought when we got our hands on the MetMo Multi Drive. It's a sleek, pen-shaped multi-tool packed with modular parts, and let us tell you, this thing is seriously fun to use. But is it just a neat gadget, or is it something you'll actually use day to day? In this hands-on review, we're breaking down the real-world experience. Let's get into it. Let's start with the unboxing experience. The MetMo Multi Drive comes in this purpose-designed box that's perfect for storing and collecting all the components. Opening it up reveals the main handle unit alongside several attachments. Right off the bat, you can feel the quality. Depending on which version you've gone for, you're holding either aerospace-grade black anodized aluminum or cold hard stainless steel. This isn't some flimsy tool. It's got significant weight and feels truly solid in the hand. In the box, we've got the multi-driver handle in black, a 4mm adapter, blade mount, scribe, flat file, grease lead, 2 micro bits, 10A blades, Allen key, and 6 graphite lead refills. Everything is carefully organized and protected. So let's talk about the build. The multi-drive's sleek design fits perfectly in the hand like a precision instrument. We loved the ultralight aluminum handle. It kept hand fatigue away during longer jobs. The slimline profile with its precision point made detailed work a breeze. What really impressed us was the comfort grip combined with that smooth spinning end cap. When we needed to apply pressure while driving, we could use our palm on the cap while guiding with our fingers. Super intuitive. The fine threaded twist lock is what makes everything work so seamlessly. As we tightened it, the hardened collet chuck firmly gripped our tools without any wobble. The 4mm hex locking stainless steel collet was particularly impressive. It held everything securely while we worked. We've tested plenty of multi-tools, but the precision bearing in this one delivers noticeably smoother driving and drilling. Now let's see how this thing actually works. The secret of the MetMo Multi Drive is the way it grips all the different tools. It uses what they call a collet system. Basically, it's just a really good way to hold things tight without them slipping. Let us show you how it works. When we twist these textured edges here, the hole, that's the collet. This is what grabs onto all your different tools. Let's start with the blade mount. These blades are super sharp, so it's best to use pliers to handle them. The knife holder has a little groove inside that matches up with the blade. You just put the blade in at a slight angle, slide it in, and it clicks right into place. Taking it off is just as easy. Grab it with pliers and slide it back off. Next up is the 4mm drive adapter. This lets you use those 2 included drive bits for any small screws you need to work with. Just slide the adapter into the collet and twist slightly until you feel it lock. What makes this system really cool is how the tools lock in place. Most attachments have this little 6-sided hex end with a collar. When you put it in, you can actually feel it click into place before you even tighten everything up. That means it won't spin around when you're using it. Swapping tools is super quick too. Kind of like watching race car mechanics change tires. Just twist to open it up, swap the tool, twist to close, and you're back to work. No messing around with special keys or dealing with wobbly parts that don't stay put. You might be wondering, why not just use a Swiss Army knife or a basic multi-tool? Well, here's where the MetMo Multi Drive stands out. It's not trying to cram 6 fold-out tools into a tight space. Instead, it's built around a modular system. The core body stays the same, and you swap in what you need. That keeps things clean and focused. There's a tiny magnet in the adapter, and that makes swapping in micro bits super quick, perfect for working with small screws. You can either use the adapter for added length, or just slot the bit directly into the collet if you want to keep things short and tight. Both ways work, and that flexibility is something we came to appreciate over time. And another small detail that makes a big difference, the way the hex mount locks in place. You can actually feel it click and engage. It's not just relying on pressure, it locks with geometry. It's subtle, but it gives you peace of mind when using tools like the knife or file. Let's talk about how this tool actually feels when you're using it day to day. Whether you're at your workbench, fixing something around the house, or working on a small project outdoors, the MetMo Multi Drive just fits right in. It doesn't slow you down or feel awkward. Using the drive bits to tighten up some loose screws on a small electronics project was a breeze. The Multi Drive gave excellent control and leverage. Then we swapped to the scalpel to trim some plastic bits, and honestly, it was sharp, clean, and easy to control. After that, the scribe came in handy for marking metal sheets with real accuracy. Just slide one of the 6 included graphite refills in, set how far you want it to stick out, and tighten it up. It instantly becomes this really precise pencil, perfect for marking things before cutting or drilling. What stood out most is how natural it all felt. Switching between tools didn't interrupt the flow. Nothing felt clunky or over-designed. You just get to work and keep going, exactly how it should be. After spending time with the MetMo Multi Drive, here's our honest take. It's one of those tools that grows on you. At first, it might seem like a novelty, but once you start using it, it earns its place. The build quality is there, the design is thoughtful, and the modular system really does make it feel like a custom toolset in your pocket. Also, did you know there's a current Kickstarter campaign for the latest product, the MetMo Fractal Vise? It's due to be finished soon and has already raised over 1.2 million. That kind of support says a lot about how much people trust their tools. It's exciting to see what MetMo is doing next, especially if you're already a fan of their smart, precision-focused designs. It's not trying to be flashy or overcomplicated. Instead, it's focused, well-engineered, and just fun to use. You'll probably find yourself picking it up even when you don't need to, just because it feels good in your hand. So if you're someone who values precision, enjoys quality design, and likes your tools to actually work, this is worth a serious look. That concludes our experience with MetMo Multi Drive. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.